Adding a feathered gradient to the feet of players is simple with Team Photo Composite. Click the gradient icon on the right panel to open the bottom masking window. Adjust the layers to set the start and height of the masking gradient. You can apply different feet masks to each layer by selecting it first. If no player is selected, the mask will be applied to all players. You can also reset the mask for a specific player or for all players. Adding a shadow is even easier. Enable the feature in the right panel and set the shadow strength between 1 and 9. Note that shadows are created independently for each player. If one player is in front of another, the shadow will affect both the player in front and the one behind. The shadowing feature, introduced in version 2.0, adds a realistic touch to your composite.